Discriminant of quadratic equation is the most difficult topic in the high school. So in this video, I want to I want to give you more understand about the discriminant with the three cases. You know about the general form, the quadratic equation is ax squared plus 2xn plus c. This is the y. So this is a quadratic function. And when you want to put it equal to 0, you can use the formula. But the first formula is you have to identify the delta is b equal b squared minus 4ac. So the value for delta is the value for discriminant. So delta is the symbol for discriminant. And we have a three case for the discriminant for quadratic equation. The first case, when you have the delta is greater than 0. So when you put the formula to calculate h1 or h2 is minus b plus square root of delta divided by 2a. So when it's greater than 0, so it means the square root of the delta will be exist. So that's why you will have the h1 and of course you have h2. But when you got the delta equal to 0, the square root of the delta will be equal to 0. So the formula is for h1 and h2 only minus b divided by 2a. And the last one is delta less than 0. So the square root of the delta will be doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. So that's why you have no solution h1 and h2 in this case. Okay, so three cases for the discriminant is greater than 0, equal to 0, and less than 0. Discriminant greater than 0, you will have h1 and h2, two distinct solutions. Delta equal to 0, discriminant have value of 0. So we only have the one solution. h1 will be equal to h2. And another name for cone in this case is the repeated solution. And delta or discriminant less than 0, we have no solution for the quadratic equation. Okay. For example, x squared plus 6x and plus 9 equal to 0. So discriminant is for value of delta b squared minus 4ac. You got 6 squared minus 4 times a and times c. 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So we have the formula for h1 is equal to h2 because it is a delta equal to 0 case. Minus b plus or minus square root of delta divided by 2a. The square root of delta will be equal to 0 in this case, so we have only the formula for h1 and h2 is minus b divided by 2a. So minus b we got minus 6 divided by 2a is mean 2 times 3. So minus 6 over the value for a here is 1, not 3. 2 times 1 divided by minus 6 divided by 2 times 1, and you got a minus 3. And this is the one case. Example 1. And example 2, maybe you can some example in here is x squared minus 3x and plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. For delta, b squared minus 4ac. Minus 3, take both minus 3 squared and minus 4 times a and times c. You have here is 9 minus 8 equal to 1. This is the number positive greater than 0. So we have a 2x. Separate them. H1 will be minus b plus 2ab. Square root of delta. So minus b is mean the minus of minus 3 and plus square root of 1 then divided by 2. So here you have the 3 plus 1 equal to 4 divided by 2, you have 2. And for another solution, x2 will be 3 minus square root of 1 and divided by 2. You will have 1. So for this case, we have a two solution, x equal to 2 and x equal to 1, because the delta is greater than 0. Okay. And example 3, x squared minus 2x and plus 16 equal to 0. So identify delta first. B squared minus 4 squared and minus 2ab minus 4ac 1 and 16. Minus 4 squared you got 16, and minus 4 times 1 times 16 we got 64. So here you will have here is okay, sorry, how about this one? We got 8 and 4. Of course that is minor. So negative less than 0. So that's why we have no solution for this case, because the square root of delta is square root of the ATS will be doesn't exist. So that's why we have no solution for 3 here. For example 3 here. Okay. And apply this formula and to find the natural solution for this equation. That's like your practice by yourself. Minus 3, 0. And 3. Identify equal to 0. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you so much.